Hello, I'm Salman Rahman. I am presenting the milestone 4 from group Horse Riders. So first of all, the sequence we were assigned for this milestone was NDNN. So this is for the first part. We did our Moore diagram. So this is how it looks. And then from here, what we found out is we had to the first part was to determine what happens when the correct sequence is done. We have to find is if the night rider light is on or no. So this is our diagram. Later I'll show you the waveform and also the in video the real circuit. So this is the input filter, this is the mapper, this is the prescaler coding. So fine, basically this is the final circuit for the first part only. So we can see the input filters. So it's just for which one is put, is it N or D. So it determines that one, and then it goes through the bending Moore, the state diagram, and once the correct sequence is put, the night rider light out will be out. Alright, for the second part, what we had to do is we had to implement Moore but with one hot. So this is the Moore diagram, as you already know. So from the Moore, we have found out that these are all the state equations. Okay, so from all of the state equations we get S0, S1, S2, S3 and respectively, and this is the output R. So this is our waveform for the second part, one hot with Moore. So as you can see that the sequence NDNN is put, the R is given as 1. So basically this is our Mealy diagram for the sequence NDNN. So once we do the diagram, we can get this state table, and from the state table, when we summarize it, we can get all this the equations, state equations. So from this state the equations we found from the state table, so we actually have the equations for D1, D0 and R. So this is the output. So we just put the equations found in terms of the logic gates. So once we turn it, we can get the output as expected. So from the waveform we can see that the NDNN, when the sequence is given, in the first positive cycle after the sequence has been determined, the first positive cycle, the R is 1. Alright, so the sequence we were assigned was NDNN. So we have two push buttons here, which one represents N and the other represents D. So once we put the correct sequence, we can see the output as the night rider light. So if we press N, D, D, N, N, we can see that the night rider light goes on. Thank you.